What if you could be anywhere? You could be in an AI world, playing with robots, getting married to robots. So I wanted to create a video where I'm in a robot world. And first of all, I started with an image. I was able to generate an image like this, and then I turned it into a video like this. So before I created the image, I used this picture of myself as a reference, and then I used Nano Banana to create the images in a platform called Higgsfield.ai. So I'm going to show you how I created this video using an image from the beginning to the end.
So guys, I started from ChatGPT. So I went to ChatGPT and I asked it to create a story for me. I already had a story in mind, so I just asked it to make it up, create the scenes for the stories for me. So ChatGPT created the scenes for the stories for me, as you can see. Then I went ahead to ask it to create prompt for these stories, prompt to create the images for the stories. All right. So I took this image prompt and I went to Higgsfield.ai. So when I went to Higgsfield.ai, I went to the image section. Remember I said I created these images using Nano Banana, but in Higgsfield.ai. So this is the image section where I created all the images I used to create my video. So this is the images here, right? So how did I do that? I first of all uploaded my pictures, two of my pictures as a reference, because I wanted to use my pictures. I wanted to be inside the video, all right? So these are my two pictures, and all I had to do was go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it here, and create images. So the first image I created was this, okay? When I was opening the door, right? The story is when I was opening the door from my house, okay? So this is me opening the door. Then I also pasted the prompt. I created a new image of the moment I was entering into the AI world, which is this. So if you notice, there's a whole lot of try and error here. So you have to try many times to get exactly what you want. So I was able to select this as the best option for this image. Then I created the one when I was going into the AI world, and I selected this one as the best option. Then I went ahead to create when I was exploring the AI world, which is this. I selected this image as when I was exploring the AI world. Then I selected this image when the robots saw me, okay? Then this is when the robots were chasing me. Remember, I had to paste the prompt that can create these images I got from ChatGPT. Then this was when the leader of the AI, leader of the robots saw me and told them to stop. And then they bowed down to me. So this is the image when they bowed down to me. Remember, I used the prompt to create these images, and you see I created this one and this one wasn't looking good at all. I had to regenerate it. And then this was when the AI was holding me. I mean, maybe that's where our love story was begin. So the robot was carrying me after other robots bowed down in like show of like acceptance of me. Okay, so then this is the image I created when the AI carried me, showing me the when the robot carried me, showing me the AI word. I had to just paste the prompt here to create all these images. So now that my image is ready, the next is taking it to the video section to create my video. So I just had to go to this video section. So now in this video section, we have something we call, so this is the video section, and it starts with the start scene and the end scene. So this is the start scene. This start scene, you just have to put the image, the first image, and then the last image of that particular scene. So this scene is when from my room I opened the door, entered, and then saw myself in an AI world filled with holograms and robots. So this is the start screen of me opening the door, and this is the end screen for this scene of me entering into the AI world. And then I pasted a prompt that will create this video. So after After that, I will scroll down. You will scroll down, then you see the model. So this is the different model you can use. So this is, you can see Higgsfield, you can see OpenAI Sora, you can see Google VEO one, Clink, so on and so forth. So I used Google VEO. Why? Because Google VEO has audio and I needed a model that has audio. I would have used Clean, but just that Clean doesn't have audio. It doesn't put audio in the video, so I used Google VEO. But you can try the two shots to see the one you prefer. All right, so I used Google VEO 3.1, and then I selected the ratio. So the ratio is 16.9 because of YouTube video. Then there is duration. You can select your duration, so it can be 4 seconds, it can be 6 seconds, it can be 8 seconds. All right, then after that you can now click on generate to generate your video and wait for the magic to happen. So now the magic has happened. So now the magic has happened. Now I'm going to show you. I had to create a lot of these videos, okay, to select the one that I like. All right, so I'm going to show you the one I finally selected that I liked. Let's see this. Yeah, this is the one that I selected that I like. So this is me opening the door and going into the AI world. So this is the video. All you have to do is just click here and download it. And this is how I created all these videos. So these are all the trials I tried, making it better, but that one was the best for this scene. So now for this scene, I have to get the start scene, the start image scene for this and the end. So just let me show you the image. When you click on this image, you will see, so this is the image I used as my start scene, and then my end scene I used this because I wanted the video to be, when I was exploring the AI world with holograms and all that, then I now saw robots. So that's why this is the start and this is the end. So I put it here, okay, and I generated the video. So this is just what I had to do for each of these scenes. So let me play it. So yeah, this is me exploring the AI world and seeing the robots. So then that is just how I was able to create all these videos. Go to the image part, get the images. So for the next scene, I'm going to be using this image and this image as the start scene and this image as the end scene, okay? And just upload them here. Just click on, if you want to click, just click on this and upload your start scene and your end scene, and then you will create it. So this is the next video. This is me, and then this is the AI, this is the robot. Tell them stop, don't do that. Yes, because your queen is here. So this one is actually better. Yeah. So this is where the robot made them stop, they bow down and they carried me. Maybe our love story starting soon. Then this is the next scene, okay? This is the next scene when he was not showing me the AI world, holograms, and everything. And maybe you watch out for part 2. Let's see if there'll be a love story there. So this is so easy to make. And I made everything in Higgsfield.ai. So let me know in the comment section whether you'll be trying it out or not. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.